Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Chris Height. And today in this video I am going to discuss about natural tips for glowing skin. So let's get started. Before you take action for your skin development, first and the foremost information that you should have is that you should be aware of yourself. That means what type of skin do you have? There are different types of skin people have, and there are different ways to treat them all. The different types of skins are dry skin, normal skin, and oily skin. Knowing what type of skin you have will help you to understand what type of food you should consume or prevent. Today I am going to discuss 6 tips for glowing skin which will be appropriate for all skin types. Before we get to know about what should we do, it's quite important to know what caused such damage to our skin so that we can stop doing it. Number 1. Age. During growing up for the age of 12 to 18, there may be disturbances in skin due to the hormonal changes. Number 2. Stress. Number 3. Unhealthy lifestyle, and that is addiction. Main addictions such as alcohol, drugs, and smoking can affect skin more effectively. So, these are the reasons for which our skin became damaged, and you need to stop whichever is possible, although age cannot be stopped. Now let us talk about the tips. The first and the foremost important tip is drinking lots of water. Many people claim that water has no effect on skin development, but I am going to prove them wrong. Our cell skins are made up of water like other organs in the body. And skin also needs water to keep itself moisturized all time. Reports proves that many people claims they got a radiant, healthy and younger looking complexion after they started drinking lots of water. Second tip is stay happy. As I told earlier, stress is a cause of skin damage, right? So we need to stay happy and away from crowds that can build frustrations. Breathing fresh air at morning with a fresh mood can not only improve skin but also reduce pimples as well. Add staying happy in your daily routine and then wait and watch. Diet. As I am talking about all skin type, so I will not recommend you to leave any, but I will request you to add food rich in vitamin C in your diet. Our outer skin is made up of vitamin C, so it's too important to consume vitamin C to keep our skin healthy. Number 4 is yoga. You would have heard about it many times, but many are not interested in it. Let me draw your interest here with an example. When you go out in a smoking city with no place left for fresh air, how do you feel? How do you feel about your skin when you come back? It's totally oily, dusty and filled with sweat, right? What do you think? This all happened just due to dust on your skin? No, it's also due to the toxic air that you inhaled that went inside your body. You need to get them all out, and that's possible just by yoga, especially downwards dog pose. Number 5 is avoid addiction. When I googled the question which addiction does not damage skin, unfortunately I didn't get any answer. Rather, I got websites saying all opposite. Skin problems for drug abuse, what drug abuse can do to skin, and all like this. If you are engaged in any addiction, try to leave it if you want a healthy skin. Some will affect fast and some slow. But there may be a question in your mind that how does celebrities, actors and actresses have such a beautiful skin? Rather they are addicted in smoking, drugs and any other addictions. Your question is right, but have a look on the products they use for maintaining the skin. You will get the answer there. Number 6, the last one is silence. Silence plays an important role in keeping your skin healthy. Talking with people for minutes and hours results in heavy loss of energy, which if consumed and spent in meditations or silent walks, it may be good for your skin. So these were the 6 natural tips that you can follow without any budgets you have. Only you can practice this in your home. So if you like the video, give a like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe our channel for such interesting healthy tips. So that's all for today. See you on the next video. Till the time, bye bye.